Welcome to another Tom's DIY video. This time we replace headphone ear pads. If the covering on your headphone ear pads has deteriorated, do not despair. You may be able to replace them. Replacement ear pads for your headphone model or generic ones may be available. I found these on eBay from China. First, you will need to remove the old ear pads. Mine simply had a lip on the back which fit into a groove on the outside perimeter of the headphones. It was just a matter of stretching them a little and pulling them off. Measure your headphones. My round ones have a diameter of 7 centimeters, which is 70 millimeters. The old ear pads had a fabric liner sewn to them. The new ones did not come with a liner, so I reused the old ones by cutting the stitches with an X-Acto knife. Next, I applied silicone adhesive to the inside perimeter of the headphones. Then I pressed the fabric pieces into the silicone adhesive and let dry overnight. Now you are ready to install the new ear pads. The back of these ear pads have a lip that simply fits into a groove on the outside perimeter of the headphones without adhesive. This is a real-time video of the installation. Start in one spot and insert the lip into the groove and work your way around. It helps to use your fingers on both sides, holding the part that is already in with your other hand to prevent it from slipping back out. Eventually, you succeed. Enjoy your renewed headphones. Many headphone ear pads are covered with protein leather. Search the internet to find out what it is and how to care for it.